Let's make an easy sausage, egg, and cheese hash brown casserole. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi Adorners, so happy Saturday. I'm back from my morning walk and I am going to prepare an easy hash brown casserole with eggs, sausage, and cheese using some Hungry Jack hash browns. And so I thought I would bring you along. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Okay, Adorners, so I've gone ahead and I've added my water to my Hungry Jack package. Okay, Adorners, so maybe you've seen these in the store and you wonder, do they really work? Yes, they do. You add hot water till the fill line and you let them sit 5 or 10 minutes, and the next thing you know, you have your hash browns and they are ready to cook. If you've seen the cheese version, they are really great, almost like the Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole. All right, so I have a pan that I lined with some parchment paper. Yesterday, I cooked up a bunch of breakfast sausages and put them in the fridge or for the freezer, and I lined my parchment paper with it. I have 4 eggs that I'm gonna whip up with a little bit of water and add to our hash brown casserole. Cut up some white onion. You can use yellow or onions and peppers, whatever you like. Put it on top of my sausage, and then I am going to add in, you can see here, these are my hash browns all fluffed up and ready to be added. So I'm going to add those to my dish. Okay, pour them in, level them out, and yeah, so you can see actually it really does work. So I emptied out my container, poured them all over my sausages, leveled it out, and now it's time for me to add in, I'm going to whip my eggs with some pepper, some garlic salt, and now I am going to pour them over my hash brown casserole. Okay, so pour them over. Make sure you get all of it, go around the perimeter, make sure you cover all of the hash browns if you can. And then it's time to add some cheese. Okay, I'm going to add in, this is like a pepper jack or Colby Jack cheese, I think. These are just some squares. I have my oven set on 390 for 20 minutes. And I decided, you know what? I have some Italian sausage that I cooked up. It's hot Italian sausage. I'm going to add that to the top of the casserole. And I put it in 20 minutes. Also put this on broil for 5 or 10 minutes if you want it more brown. Voila, here's our breakfast casserole. So delicious. You let it sit for about 5 minutes to cool off, and then you will cut it. And using the parchment paper makes it so easy to clean up. Came right out of the container, and I put it on a plate. You would have this would be something so easy to make. Your kids can make this. You can make this for a meal prep for breakfast during the week. As you can see, it came right out of the parchment paper, and it's really great for brunch with the girls or brunch for your family. As always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor, and as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.